this was but it bit, but now it's but I. Okay, well done. This was what in with, but now it's what I. Okay, right. This was but it bit, but magic say I. But I. Okay, so this way. It was sit, but magic side. Very good. Side. It was fin, but now it's I. Well done. That was in, but magic E will make it say I. Put it in. Now what will it be now? Good. Magic E on the end makes the it say I. So put I. Okay, it was to in, but now it is I. Because magic E on the end makes the it say I. So it's done. What about this one? Right. It was grip. Magic E on the end makes the it say I. And put it, but now it becomes put I. Well done. So remember, magic E also works with these words with an it. It. Okay, and then it becomes an I sound because magic E on the end makes the it say I. I. So it's now but I. But I. But I. But I. For I. I. Do I. Do I. Okay, we're going to play tic-tac-toe. So, remember, tic-tac-toe. eyes on the screen. Lucy, are you right? Hayley, sit down please and put your name tag on. Hayley, put your name tag on. Right. Last week, Miss Joy talked to you about countable nouns. Can you remember what countable nouns are? Who can tell me? Put your hands up. What are countable nouns? Polly. And what can we do? We can think of countable. What can we do? Good girl. We can say 1, 2, 3. We can count. And what do we normally put on the end of these words? What do we usually put on the end? S or yes. You think of a countable noun. You think of something we did last week. Ken. Good boy. Tomato is countable because we say tomatoes. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tomatoes. We can count. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 tomatoes. Kitty. Good girl. Onions. Onion was countable because again we can say onions. So it's countable. Yes. Beg your pardon? Watermelon? Yes, watermelons. Okay, we can have 5 watermelons. We can count. Last one, Wendy. Good girl. Sandwiches. On the end, sandwiches. So sandwich is countable. Okay, hands down. Today we're going to look at some nouns that, hands down, we don't put S or ES on the end. We call them uncountable because we can't count them. We can't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? We just use one word for them. Alright, so let's have a look at these uncountable nouns. Alright, here's the first one. What is this? Cheese. Okay, right, cheese is uncountable. We don't say cheeses. We don't say I will have 15 cheeses. Alright, we just say cheese. Okay? Cheese. So cheese is uncountable. Next one. What is this? Salt. Okay. Salt is uncountable. Uncountable. We don't say salts. We don't say I will put salts on my dinner. We say salt. Okay, salt. We don't say I will have 15 salts. We just say salt. We just say salt. If we say bottles of salt, bottles is countable, not salt. We're not saying bottles of salt. We're saying bottles of salt or packets of salt, we can say. Okay? But that's because that how many packets of salt. We don't say how many salts. Yeah, how many bottles of salt. Good girl, Hayley. Okay, next one. Ice cream is uncountable. Right? We just say ice cream. I will have 3 scoops of ice cream. This is called a scoop. 1, 2, 3. We don't say there are 3 scoops of ice creams.